Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Qikink to Shopify. So the first step you need to do is to log in into your Shopify store. So let me open my Shopify, click on login and you need to log in into your account. So let me copy this from here. Okay, select my account and now I am in my store. Here you can see, wait for few seconds, click on home and here you need to search for Qikink. Click on that, wait for a few seconds here and then you need to click on install, and after that it will be connected to your Shopify. So this is a process that you need to follow to connect Qikink to Shopify. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.